Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up for HeyGen. So let's go to HeyGen. Then go to sign up for free. Over here you have only login. If you see that, just click on login and then you have sign up over here. Then add your email over here. Send code. Make sure you do the verification process. Now they are gonna send you 6-digit code to your Gmail. So I'm gonna go to my Gmail now and copy paste the code over here. Verify. Now we need to make a password. Make sure they match. And click here. Password must contain at least one special character. Let's add it at the end. Make sure you check this one and we are inside. Registered completed. It's gonna send you over here. If you do not want to pay, just click on choose free and then just follow the steps. And that's it. We are inside. As you can see here on the left, your account. That's it.